There is no chance for the welfare of the world unless the condition of women is improved. A bird can't fly only on one wing. Swami Vivekananda. Husband and wife should follow and adopt all ideals of an honest and true friendship. Pandit Shri Ram Sharma Acharya. Translated. Book title Patni ka Samman Grihasth ka Utthan. Literal translation Respect for wife leads to an uplifted household. What makes a marriage successful? Marriage is a beautiful institution and something that should be treasured and valued by married couples. However, when two people get married, a lot of changes take place in their lives and there are bound to be disagreements and arguments between them. An open communication can deal with these arguments. The most important thing that one will need to work on to make the marriage successful is to respect each other. Mutual respect in any marriage is essential because it is a sign of trust, support, and the knowledge that both love and appreciate the other for who they are. Mutual respect is the foundation stone of every successful marriage. Respect for women, wives, mothers. Respect the wife, uplift the household, understand the woman's dignity, and give respect to the woman. Treating the lady of the house as the only person responsible for house chores and a mere showpiece is not correct behavior. Women have to be given the due respect in the progress for the nation and society. Her exploitation and ignoring her existence and rights for a long time can only throw the country into a trough from which it is a challenge to come out. Therefore, wisdom lies in the fact that en masse consciousness should be raised at this time and this mistake should be rectified for collective welfare. One of the most beautiful and unique part of a woman's existence lies in her motherhood. Imagine if there were no mother, then from where would the world's creation take place? And from where would the society and nations be created? Not respecting her is a crime, a sin. Mahila Jagriti Abhiyan, the movement for awakening of women. Mahila Jagriti Abhiyan had been published for many years under the editorship of late Srimati Bhagwati Devi Sharma, also referred to as Param Vandaniya Mataji. Through this magazine, she made constant efforts to rescue the women lying in the pit of self-oblivion and make men understand their dignity and glory. The utility and importance of these writings are timeless. Today, she may not be there with us in her physical form, but these articles of hers still give us extraordinary inspiration and enthusiasm in the direction of women's awakening and upliftment. A women's awakening and re-establishing the long-lost glory and respect had been Param Vandaniya Mataji's dream and the goal of her life. She had consistently exhorted everyone to take responsibility for the upliftment of women. Women are not behind men in any field, and history is a witness to women's religious, social, and national services, and how women in various forms have always lived a life of sacrifice, affection, reverence, patience, and tolerance for humankind. There is no segment of life where women's contribution is not significant. Going towards women-centric policy making to build a women-led initiative movement is the need of the present era, which the author has consistently spoken about. Be the light, show the way. Not all disrespect towards women ends in violence, but all violence against women starts with disrespectful behavior. Disrespect begins with what we see, the stories we hear, and what we learn from adults when we are young. Without realizing it, we can sometimes say and do things that make young people think disrespectful and aggressive behavior is okay. Over time, the next generation starts to believe the same, that disrespect is normal. This behavior can put pressure on someone to do something they are not comfortable with. Using power to control, abuse, or bully someone, treating someone as though they are not as important as you, treating someone differently because they are different from you in some way, dismissing what someone believes or how they feel about something. Respect may best be defined as the way you show genuine appreciation for another person. Respect is an action, not just a feeling. It's a declaration of value for someone. We demonstrate respect by how we behave towards another person. And it's relatively easy to recognize when someone respects or disrespects another person. Mutual respect upholds healthy boundaries in the relationship. Mutual respect strengthens the friendship between you and your spouse. Relationship researcher John Gottman says that long-term vitality and connection is grown through intentional friendship in your marriage. In other words, marriage is healthy when you and your spouse deepen your friendship. Excerpts of the book translated. In troubles, disappointments, objections, or in the dark recesses of life, who is there except for the wife who can lighten up with her smile, by her love, by awakening new life in the heart? The wife's cooperation brings back the happiness of man in the spirit of true partnership. परेशानी, निराशा, आपत्ति अथवा जीवन के निविड़ अंधकार में वह पत्नी के सिवाय कौन है जो अपनी मुस्कानों से उजाला कर दिया करे, अपने प्यार तथा स्नेह से हृदय में नवजीवन जगाकर आश्वासन प्रदान करता रहे। पत्नी का सहयोग पुरुष के सुख में चार चांद लगा देता है और दुख में उसका साझीदार बनकर हाथ बटाया करती है। Women has been considered as the embodiment of heavenly light on earth. The belief of the slave era has caused great harm to the society. When a woman is considered weak, unfit, dependent, and incapable, or has been made such, then the obstacle will not arise in the progress of the woman, but it will affect the whole society. दास युग की इस मान्यता ने समाज को बड़ी हानियां पहुंचाई हैं। जब नारी को अयोग्य, निर्बल और आश्रित और असमर्थ मान लिया गया हो अथवा बना दिया गया हो, तो अवरोध न केवल नारी के आगे बढ़ने में उत्पन्न होगा, वरन उसका असर समूचे समाज पर पड़ेगा। टू फुलफिल द पैरामाउंट demand of the new era, every man should persuade the women of their homes to join the revolution of women awakening. They should introduce her to its utility, need and response. नवयुग की सर्वोपरि मांग को पूरा करने के लिए प्रत्येक पुरुष को अपने घरों की नारियों को ही महिला जागरण अभियान की संघ शक्ति में सम्मिलित होने के लिए आगे ढकेलना चाहिए। उन्हें उसकी उपयोगिता, आवश्यकता और प्रतिक्रिया से परिचित करना चाहिए। Husband and wife should follow and adopt all ideals of an honest and real friendship. पति पत्नी को मित्रता के समस्त आदर्शों का पालन करना चाहिए। Topics covered in the book: understand and respect the dignity of women. Progress is impossible without taking women along. Men should do their duty. Give up the ego of being a husband. Men to come forward for atonement. Is man monopolized for nobility? Is the responsibility of husband only for the wife? Not only the wife, but the husband also has duties. Treat your wife with utmost dignity and humanity. About the author: the book has been written by Mata Bhagwati Devi Sharma, our beloved Paramvandaniya Mataji. She was an Indian social reformer and a great devotee of Gayatri Mantra, the wife of Pandit Shri Ram Acharya, who was an Indian freedom fighter, a social reformer, Gayatri Sadhak, and a seeker of science behind spirituality, who had authored more than 3,200 books.